Thank you so much for joining me today for this chit chat, get ready with me video. It's been quite some time since I've sat down and filmed. I recently vlogged, and at this point I don't know if I'm going to be posting that vlog first or this video. So if I already posted the vlog, I will link it up here. It's actually like a planty vlog, so I don't know how people feel about plants right now. I'm clearly obsessed with them. So I don't know if you guys are going to be interested in it, but I figured whoever is will watch it, whoever isn't, no problem. If you're here just for the makeup, don't worry about it. Today's a makeup thing. So I just wanted to sit down. I've been kind of in a slump, just not only with YouTube, but just in general. I feel like, I don't know. I haven't wanted to film. I've been feeling a little like unmotivated, but today I have some time. I'm really feeling good. I want to film. So I figured, you know, why not? Let's do a little chit chat, get ready with me. Let's catch up. I think that's all that I have to tell you guys. I don't want this video to be a million hours long. The cats are being super loud. I have Graham in the litter box and Gambino chomping on his food, so I apologize. But either way, if you're interested in this video, keep on watching. My favorite foundation has been discontinued, the CYO Life Proof. I loved that foundation, and I know the Soap and Glory foundation is it's actually an exact dupe, I believe, but I saw that at Walgreens on like super duper clearance, so I think that's being discontinued too. So soon I will be completely out of a foundation. So I'm gonna try something new today. I think I tried this a long time ago before, and I didn't like it, but I don't remember. So I bought this at Target today. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. This is not a new foundation, but you know, whatever. We're gonna try it today. Let's see how it goes. I bought the shade 201 Classic Ivory. I'm putting this on my face, of course, blending it out with my Real Technique sponge, and then I will see if I like it or not. This actually isn't horrible. I don't like a lot of foundation on my face, so this light layer did a really nice job. I go in with concealer anyway, like to cover up a little bit of my redness, but overall this is okay. It is clinging on to a couple of dry patches that I have on my nose, but I don't know, this foundation might work, and it seems like it matches me pretty well. So I'm gonna quickly prime my eyes. I am of course using, you guessed it, Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden, and I'm filling in my brows with the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I want to do like a different transition. 1, 2, 3, brows are done. It didn't take me that long, and they don't look that bad. They look pretty good, so thank God. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. I kind of wanted to do something a little peachy, nothing smoky, nothing crazy, just a little peachy, kind of springy type of look. Maybe a color on the lower lash line, but I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. Figured today would be a good day. I'm thinking to use this color and then maybe bring in this green on the bottom. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Of course I didn't wash any of my brushes, but it's okay. None of them have crazy colors on them. Starting off with the shade Weekender right here, which is a really good transition color. I like it. It's perfect for fair skin. If you have tanner skin, you can always do Riff right here. And I'm using my Sigma E35. Putting this back and forth in the crease, kind of blending it everywhere, all over the lid, bringing it up, right underneath the eyebrow, but not like completely right underneath, you know, just leaving that little space to highlight up there. Moving along to the peachy color called Still Shot. I'm picking it up with a Sigma E25 and putting it in the outer V and in the crease. I'm also gonna bring it into the inner corner. This is just gonna go kind of everywhere, if you know what I mean. So how's everybody been doing? What's up? What's new? What do you guys think about the coronavirus? That's what's been going on for me at work recently. I had to come up with a plan. If 40% of the employees were like at home or couldn't work, you know, what would we do in order to still function? So I had to create a plan. Part of me, doing that plan, I was like, this is so stupid, but you know, if it happens, you know, we have to have something in place, so I kind of get it, but at the same time, I was just so over it. Do you ever, like, when you're at work, you have certain projects where you just don't want to do them and you leave them on the back burner as long as you can until, like, something happens, or, you know, SHIT hits the fan, and you're like, oh crap, let me get to doing those. That's what that project was for me. I finished it at the last minute. And not only that, I'm also a huge procrastinator, which I really have to work on, guys. I did that plan like at the last minute. Like I said, it was due on Friday and I finished it Friday at like 3 o'clock. I'm gonna go in with Riff, which is a light brown, light medium brown. This is a good transition color, as I mentioned before. I'm just gonna put this in the outer V just to add a little bit of depth, you know? I don't wanna use a super dark color. I just want to add a little bit of definition in my crease. How do you guys feel about TikTok? I do have a TikTok and I have a couple videos, so if you want to follow me, I will leave it here. They're dancing videos, so please don't make fun of me. But I actually think TikTok is pretty entertaining. Let's do concealer. I picked up this Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer today at Target. It's in the shade Light Nude. I used it to carve out my brows and it worked pretty well. I don't think it's super pigmented, which, I used the Too Faced multi-use sculpting concealer and that thing is super pigmented, so I don't know. So far so good. It seems really nice, but let's see what happens when I blend it out. I'm blending out the edges with Weekender, which was the transition color that I used, just to give it more of a like gradient, if you know what I mean. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a wing. I've been really liking doing eyeliner with eyeshadow, so I think I will do that today. I'm going to use the shade Punk, which is this dark chocolatey brown. I'm going to take my Sigma E15 and just start to line my upper lash line. If I get a little blurry or if I'm out of the frame, I'm sorry, I'm not that good at eyeliner, so. So obviously you can tell this side is done, and I just love the light brown color. I feel like it's not as like harsh as black, obviously, but it's a little bit more wearable. So now I'm gonna do the other eye quickly off camera, and then I will meet you back here to finish off the eyes. Too Faced was super nice and sent me their Born This Way multi-use complexion powder, and you guys know how much I love their concealer, their ethereal setting powder, so I'm super excited to try this. I'm gonna use a sponge and I'm going to set my under eye. And I never set my under eyes with a pressed powder, but I kind of want to try something different, so we're just going with it. I'm sorry if I was not in the frame and if I'm blurry still, so sorry. And then usually I'll set my nose with like a setting powder, with like a loose setting powder, but I'm gonna set it with this pressed one. Why not? Let's highlight right underneath the eyebrow. I'm gonna stick to the palette and use Breakaway. I'm just gonna use this like fluffy elf brush and blend out the edges. Graham, can you please let me just film without you, you know, going through everything? Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Adds a little bit of a glow. I usually don't like a little glow, but it actually looks good, I guess, since this whole eyeshadow is matte. I'm taking Still Shot and running it across my lower lash line. Since we're keeping it light, I'm just gonna go in with mascara, no false lashes. I'm taking the Essence Lash Princess, my favorite mascara. If you guys have any other recommendations, let me know. I actually wanted to get a mascara today at Target, but I completely forgot. I really, really love this mascara. I take it back. I don't want any recommendations. This just has stolen my heart. But let's get into the face. Starting off with bronzer. I don't even contour anymore, guys. I just bronze. My sister got me the I was gonna say IT. Oh my god. My sister got me the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores bronzer, and I really, really like it. So I've been switching off between this one and my Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer. So yeah, you guys should try it out. If you're in need of a good bronzer. This one's pretty good. So what do you got? Have you guys ever been like super unmotivated? You know what I mean? As I mentioned before, like I just haven't been dropping everything. I haven't been just wanting to film, and honestly too, I went back and looked at my old videos one day, and I just used to be so much more creative. Like I gave YouTube my 110%, and I feel like now now that it's just kind of hard and I work 9 to 5, not 9 to 5, I work like 8 to 6 every day. And I'm just a little bit more busy, mainly with work. I just can't give it my 110% anymore. I mean, I still, when I film these makeup tutorials, obviously, like, I'm not half-assing it or anything, but I used to do such I used to do such creative videos, and even back then I would beat myself up so much saying that my videos weren't good enough, and now I'm just like, hey, you were so good. So yeah, I want to get back to doing like different videos, like more DIYs and things like that. Oh my god, even my makeup tutorials, like I did a really pretty like gold eyeshadow with the lower lash line, super purple, and I was like, oh my god, that looks so pretty. Oh my god, I really do miss it. Just doing kind of just different things, you know? Nowadays I only have time to do makeup tutorials. Okay, bronzer's done, and now I'm gonna go into blush, and this has taken over my life. I love this blush. My sister got this for me as well for Christmas. It's the Kiko Milani. Is it Kiko Milan? I'm not even sure, and it only has their logo on it. It doesn't say the name. But it's their baked blush in Dreaming Coral. It reminds me a lot of NARS Orgasm no, not Bahama Mama. Is it? No, what is it? Bahama Mama? Hot Mama. It reminds me of Hot Mama from The Balm. It just has that really pretty peachy, pinky sheen. Oh my god, I love it, guys. It's such a pretty color. It's such a versatile color too. You can wear it with any look. I think I might have gone a little bit crazy on this side. Oh, but we're gonna clean it up. But yeah, I just want to get back into just doing more creative videos. Did I finish that topic? I don't know. I'm like all over the place. But what's new? I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm gonna bake underneath this blush and this contour. But my boyfriend picked up the Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette in the Flash for me for Christmas. Thank you, everybody, giving me makeup for Christmas so I don't have to buy it myself. Appreciate it. I use this all the time. Now, these highlights are very unique. I gotta give it to Jaclyn. I don't know why people give her such a hard time. This product is amazing. Good for her. I'm happy she came back, and this product was literally 110%. This is amazing. I'm gonna use Iced, which is right up here, and just highlight. But this is very unique. Like, this is blinding. It's just a whole different formula. I don't have any highlighters like this. Like, you guys see how pretty that is? I don't even know if you can see it. Like, it's giving my Anastasia Resi highlighter a run for its money. I am so white. I am just so white, and I can say it, my close friends can say it, my family can say it, but it drives me insane when my coworkers will tell me, and I'm like, guys, you know me, you've known me for like 5 years, like, you guys know that I'm white. Why do you always have to continue to remind me? All the people that like to tell me I'm super white, shut up. Thank you. I'm just going to dust off this powder and then kind of blend out that blush so I don't look super clowny. Next, I'm going to line my lips with Milani's Most Natural. And I found this Colourpop Lippie stick in my makeup drawer. I don't even remember buying this, but it's at Twilight. I really like this lipstick, guys. I think it's perfect. It goes really well with the eyeshadow. I don't remember buying this, but I'm super happy that I did. Okay, final step, I'm going to set my face. Today I'm using the Derma E Uplift Skin Beneficial Mist Mood Enhancing spray. I am super happy with this look. I hope you guys are too. I feel like it's perfect for spring, summer. It's really easy, and you got, you know, a nice little peachy vibe going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate it. I am gonna work on being more consistent because I really want to. I love posting videos, and I feel like most of you guys who watch my videos like the content that I post, but I am hoping to do, you know, different videos, not only makeup. So that's all that I have to say. Again, I really appreciate you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.